Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. Okay, we have taken a good amount of break to give time to people who were to give the exams. Let them give it peacefully without any disturbance, and for the rest of us, we could sit and sort ourselves out to be better versions of ourselves so that when we come back, we just start the attack. Now, there is no more ifs and buts. It's like you've taken everything and now you stop directly on the exam hall on 27th Jan. The exam has got over. You are clear whether you are to give mains or not. Now, I won't give you the unnecessary dose of it's okay if you don't clear and stuff, because I know how disheartening it is and only you yourself could help you come out of it. But just make sure that you don't take a lot of time and again get back from the rest of the competition. So here's the thing. We have 8 months for our preparation. June is completely left for mocks. And technically, prelims revision should start by April. So all in all, we have 6 months. Now this strategy is for people who want to attempt the 27th Jan exam and for nobody out of that league. So now the plan is, how do we get going and practice ourselves in order to use October, November, December, January, February and March optimally so that we complete our syllabus on time and then we head towards our revision efficiently, effectively and in the best possible way. So let's look into the plan. See, if you see to the 2020 year that is just past, like we don't even know how. So all these months are over. 4th October is over and I don't know when will I be putting up this video, but if you count up to 15th October to take rest, if you'd been preparing for this 4th October exam and now you want to really take rest before you start moving in for the other part or anything, we can miss out till 15th October. If people who've already been practicing, you can pile up all your works that were pending and then you can complete that before you start with the strategy. And after that, you're left with the whole of November, you're left with the whole of December. Then we come to the big year, the very expected year that we have, this 2021, from which we are expecting a lot of things, and our exam is here on 27th June, Sunday. So we have Jan, Feb, March, April and May we are keeping for revising, and June we are completely keeping for mocks before our exam. So I feel that April and May would all be the revision of whatever you've done in these months and nothing new. So just note this and accordingly we'll proceed. So what are we planning to do? See, when you have November, when you have December, what you do is October you are using those 15 days, those 18 days to complete your polity. I have a video, the 18 days to polity video, where you can complete your polity in 20 days in the way which you like. The link is in the description, you can go and check it out there. So October we are done with polity. Now we come to November. So if in order to complete your syllabus, if you have November as your history and economics simultaneously, what you can do is you can figure out how you want to proceed with it. And if you complete history and economics in November, you can start with science and technology, you can start with the environment, you can start with biodiversity, you can start with geography. And let me tell you, just like polity needs more time, history needs more time, these subjects do need time, but not that much of time, because these subjects have variety of topic but they are in small proportions. However, in polity you have topics which are in variety but they don't diversify every day. It's only the bills and the schemes that diversify, but the topic, the constitution doesn't diversify. The amendments come and that is what you want to see and you have to look into. So that is nothing that you need to proceed with. History is also static. Once you complete that, you just need to keep revising that. Economics is also not a very diverse thing, it just requires a lot of time. But these all, biodiversity, environment, these keeps changing, the topic keeps introducing itself. So I would want that yes, we give lesser time to that, but a greater proportion of it. So once the planning is over, January you can give completely to your optionals. So when you're giving January to your optionals, I think 1 month is enough for your optionals. And again, I am saying it's not that you've left out polity. I'll make a full-fledged strategic timetable of how you can go about with your days so that you can keep up with your old friends and you can start making the new ones. I mean the topics. So yeah, January goes in that. Now February, what you're doing is you're revising, you're bringing new things, and you're doing what all you can, the leftover syllabus and everything. So you will realize that by February you are done with a lot of it. And when I'm telling you that yes, you're done with it, it's not just hawa pe baat uda diye. You actually can, because if you can complete polity in 20 days with the method that I followed, you definitely can complete things in small little ways. It's just that time has to be managed and management has to be effective. And I think that is what every civil aspirant has to learn, because being a civil servant, anything that you have to do is you manage the time to implement the policies that has to be given out. So March, I leave for everything that I'm not able to complete in February, January, and also for all those unforeseen circumstances. So now April and May is completely left for revision. Everything that you've been doing in all these months, you come and you now succumb to April and May for its revising. And then I hopefully think that yes, in June we'll be able to complete this thing of ours. See, now I'm not saying that just go with this, go with that. It's just my point of view, it's just my way that I'll be doing that. I'm just sharing this with you. And secondly, it's not a very detailed plan, it is just a very vague and a very overall plan that you have. And obviously every day, every second, every minute of your day will count in this effort of your UPSC. So this is the overall gist about all of the plans that you can have. Alright guys, this was it with today's video. It dealt about everything that you can do as a monthly plan, as a yearly plan, to give emphasis on how to study about to clear this exam. This is not a professional thing, this is not a advice that you should be following, or this is not some totka type of thing that yes, you'll be able to clear this exam after following this. This is just some common sense thing that is shared, that is evaluated, that is analyzed, and then does followed by your mind too. So if you like this video, do give a thumbs up and do let me know of how this video was for you. I will soon come up with the next one. Until then, keep watching, keep learning.